Looking for a tool that offers a wide range of templates to create professional videos? In this video, we're comparing Pictory versus Renderforest. Which AI tool provides more templates for videos? You might be wondering which platform has the best selection for your needs, so stick around because we'll dive into the specifics, and by the end, you'll know which one really delivers. First off, both Pictory and Renderforest promise to make video creation easier with AI-powered tools, but the real question is which one has the edge when it comes to templates. Let's take a closer look at each one, starting with Pictory. Pictory offers a wide variety of templates, especially if you're looking to create content for social media, educational videos, or marketing. Its templates are pretty customizable, with options for things like text overlays, music, and stock footage. The platform's main strength is how easy it is to turn articles into videos, making it great for content creators who need quick, editable templates. But here's the thing, while Pictory does have a solid library of templates, it's not the most extensive when compared to others in the market. Next thing to consider is Renderforest. This platform gives you access to a massive range of templates, particularly if you're looking to create high-quality intro videos, promotional content, and explainer videos. Renderforest shines in its variety, and I mean variety. Whether it's a logo animation, an explainer video, or even a music visualizer, Renderforest has templates for nearly every use case. The downside? It can be a bit overwhelming for beginners, and although the templates are varied, some of them are quite generic, which may not work for users seeking more unique, tailored content. Now, let's talk about ease of use. Both platforms are fairly intuitive, but Renderforest has a more user-friendly interface, especially when it comes to navigating through its template categories. Pictory, on the other hand, might take a bit more time to master, mainly because it's optimized more for editing existing content rather than creating something from scratch. The fourth thing we need to touch on is customization options. Pictory has great flexibility when it comes to editing video elements like text, music, and visuals. You can make fine adjustments with ease, which is a plus for those who want to make the most of their templates. Renderforest, however, is a bit more limited in this area. While the templates are polished, the customization options can feel restrictive, especially if you're aiming for a more personalized video. It's great for quick production, but not ideal if you're looking to push boundaries creatively. The fifth and final thing to consider is pricing. Both platforms offer tiered pricing models, but Renderforest pricing can get a bit steep, especially if you need high-resolution downloads or access to premium templates. Pictory offers a more affordable option, but the downside is that the free plan has limited access to templates and features, so you're really paying to unlock the full potential. So, which one offers more templates for videos? Well, Renderforest definitely takes the lead in sheer variety and the number of template options it provides. However, if you're looking for a platform that's more focused on quick, customizable content for social media or blog posts, Pictory has its merits. That said, both tools are solid choices, but after trying them out for myself, I'd recommend checking out the first link in the description for a better alternative that really excels in offering both the variety and customization you need to create videos that stand out. And through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to you, my viewers.